Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you are doing well. So if you are facing a battery drain issue after the One UI 7 update, so that is now fixed. So as we all know that with the One UI 7 update, despite the good changes, there were some bad changes as well that included a battery drain. I was facing a battery drain issue after the new One UI 7 update, and now it is fixed and now I get a 1-day battery easily. So here are some of the tips and tricks that I used to improve my battery life. As you guys can see, it is showing a 1 day and 3 hour on full charge. First of all, keep the performance profile on light mode. After keeping it on light mode, it will drain less battery than before. Next up, and the most important thing that you have to do is to keep your device on the latest software version. In my case, I am on the latest 1st June 2025 security patch. Previously, I was on the 1st May 2025, but you can update it on the latest 1st June 2025 that was released recently. So keeping your phone on the latest software version and a low performance profile can help you get a better battery life. Another trick that you guys can use is to keep your apps on the deep sleep mode. Using this feature will put the unused app of your device into sleep mode, so it will drain very less battery. To turn this feature on, simply go into the device care, then tap on battery. Now simply turn this option on, put unused apps to sleep. So it will limit the battery usage for the apps that you don't use. Also, you can turn on this adaptive battery option to improve your battery life. Further tips for the battery life improvement is to keep your battery in between 20 and 80%. So a whole cycle will not be completed and it can increase your battery life. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will soon also upload some of the more battery tips and tricks for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also let me know that how is your battery life going on the Galaxy S24 Ultra.